Hi, if you're watching this video, you're probably wanting to format your Word document for writing an essay in MLA format. First, start by saving your Word document. That way, in case your computer crashes, you won't have any problems. The next thing you're going to want to do is click on the Page Layout tab. Click on Margins and select Normal. It'll give you 1-inch margins on the top, bottom, left, and right. While you're on the Page Layout tab, go over to where it says Paragraph, click that little box. Find the line spacing and see there's a drop-down menu. You're going to select Double. Go over to where it says Spacing Before and After. Make sure both of those are set at 10, or 0 rather. So you want before spacing to be 0, after spacing to be 0. And say OK. The next thing you're going to do is go back to the Home tab. You are going to change the font to Times New Roman, 12-point font. Now you're ready to add a header to your Word document. So you're going to click on Insert, Header, select the first one, which is blank, then click on Page Number, top of page, click plain number 3. You'll see that there's the number 1 and a cursor right here. You're going to type your last name and space. While you're here, go ahead and highlight this, click back on the Home tab and change the font to Times New Roman, 12-point font. Back into your Word document, and you are going to put the heading here. So you're going to start by putting your name, enter, your teacher's name, enter, the name of the class, enter, and now you're ready to insert the date. So click back on that Insert tab, click on this little calendar icon, select the date where it starts with the number, the month, and then the year. Make sure this box here is checked where it says Update Automatically. This will change the date every time you open your Word document, and then click OK. Click Enter. You're going to click back on the Home tab. Center the cursor by clicking this button here, and then you're going to type a very catchy, creative title. Click Enter. You're going to align the text back to the left by clicking this button. Click the Tab button once. You are ready to start typing your essay. When you're typing your essay, it is important that you don't skip extra lines in between paragraphs. So if this is one paragraph, I'm going to click Enter and press Tab. And right away, I'm ready to start my next paragraph right here. So there will not be any extra spaces. So it should not look like this. It should look like this. If you would like to, you can highlight and embolden your title. Besides that, you are good to go. So you're going to make sure you click Save one more time, and you're ready to start typing your essay. Enjoy! Hi, if you're watching this, you're trying to format your essay for MLA. So you're going to start with your Word document open. Go ahead and save it now before you do anything else. Hi, if you're watching this video, you are wanting to type your essay and format it in MLA. So you're going to start by saving your Word document. I'm going to do this first so you don't have to worry about it getting lost or if your computer crashing or something like that. Go ahead and click Save. You are going to start by changing the font of your essay. So where it says Calibri, you're just going to click this drop-down menu, select Times New Roman, change it to 12-point font. Next, you're going to click on the Page Layout tab, click on Margins. Make sure it's Normal is selected, where your top, bottom, left, and right are all 1-inch margins. Click where it says Paragraph. There's a little box there. If you click on that, you're going to want to make sure the spacing before and after is set at 0. And where it says line spacing, you're going to select that drop-down menu and click on Double. Okay. Now you're ready to insert, click on the Insert tab, a header. When you click on Header, you're going to select the first choice which says blank. Then you're going to click on Page Number, top of page, select Plain number 3. You'll notice there's a number 1 and the cursor's there. Go ahead and type your last name, space. You're going to highlight this, and you're also going to change the font to Times New Roman 12-point font. So click on the Home tab, drop down, select Times New Roman 12-point font. I'd get out of that header section of the Word document, double click. So now you're ready to put the heading of your essay in. So you're going to start by putting your name, click enter, your teacher's name, enter, name of class, enter, and the date. Click back on the Insert tab. You're going to look to where it says Insert Date and Time, or mine looks like a little calendar. If you click that, you're going to select the one that's about halfway down. It's the number, month, and year. Make sure that this check mark here is next to Update Automatically. That will change the date every time you open up your Word document. OK. Enter. You're then going to click on the Home tab, center the cursor by clicking this button, and you're going to type a catchy title here. You may also choose to highlight that and embolden it. Enter. Then you're going to put the cursor back on the left, but don't forget that the rest of it should not be bold. All right, now you're ready to start typing your essay. You're going to click the Tab button once, so that'll indent it one time. You can start typing your essay now. So you are ready to go. Just keep in mind that as you're typing your essay, let's pretend this is something really profound. Let's say this is the end of my first paragraph. You're only going to click enter once and then click the Tab button, and now you are writing your next paragraph. Make sure there aren't any extra spaces between each paragraph. That indent will let the reader know that it's a new paragraph, and that's all you have to do. Go ahead and click Save, and you can start making magic happen.